What is your name? My name is John. Where do you live? I live in Chennai. When do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Ravi. Why do you study English? To improve my communication skills. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is dosa. Where is your school? My school is near the park. When do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Who teaches you English? My English teacher teaches me. Why do you like music? Because it makes me happy. What do you do in the morning? I brush my teeth and take a bath. Where do you play with your friends? I play in the playground. When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. Who helps you with homework? My mother helps me. How do you travel to your hometown? I travel by train. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading books. Where do you buy vegetables? I buy vegetables from the market. When do you go to school? I go to school at 8:30 a.m. Who cook food at your home? My mother cooks food at home. How do you spend your free time? I watch TV or play games.